A day trip to Bruges, Belgium, is a great option. While the journey is quite long, it's a perfect choice for those extending their stay in the Netherlands by a few days. Bruges is a charming city. Aside from exploring and photographing its picturesque streets, you can also sit down at a restaurant to enjoy lunch. Though time feels a bit tight, the chance to briefly experience another country adds a nice bonus to the itinerary. There is a professional tour guide and it is a 6-hour round-trip drive. In addition to beautiful scenery, there are also various chocolate stores where you can buy good things. The picturesque canals, charming cobblestone streets, and stunning medieval architecture created a fairy tale atmosphere. Delicious chocolate and waffles made the day even sweeter. The tour guide introduced it carefully. The meeting place is clear. Don't worry about communicating in English. Very beautiful tourist attraction. Very worth attending. You can rest during pulling time. Although the one-way drive takes 3 hours, it's a bit far. But Bruges is so beautiful and worth it, highly recommended. The scenery is great, the food is delicious, the shops are unique, and the local people are friendly. The tour guide is very dedicated, takes good care of him, explains well, and arranges it reasonably. I recommend everyone to go. Nice trip. Great experience, lovely city, love it. The meeting point is convenient, and you can get there by taking a comfortable tour bus. The tour guide is humorous and experienced. I like that most of the time on the trip is free, and you can travel according to your own needs. The tour guide also recommended chocolate that is worth buying. The one-way journey takes about 3 to 3.5 hours. We depart from Amsterdam Central Station at 9:30 in the morning and arrive in Bruges in the afternoon. The tour guide and the group walked from the parking lot to the city center for about 25 minutes. During the walk, many architectural attractions were under construction. If you want to take pictures, you have to be careful to choose the angle. Lunchtime is between 1:30 and 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We have free time until 5:30 and then return to Amsterdam Central Station from Bruges. When we arrived in Amsterdam, it was almost 9 o'clock in the evening before we had dinner. If you can and number 39, stand hunger or riding in a car, you need to use this as an evaluation to decide whether to choose a one-day round-trip between Amsterdam and Bruges.